Download the SharkClean app to get the most out of your Shark IQ robot. Control your robot from anywhere with the app, or use voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant, and even select specific rooms to clean now. Customize your cleaning modes. Decide when you want your Shark IQ robot to clean the whole home. Stay up to date on how your robot is performing. Adjust your robot's settings from anywhere. Select features like Recharge and Resume, which can allow your robot to pick up where it left off after charging. For additional information, please visit the Help section of your app or sharkclean.com/support.